Hello everyone, this is Wojtek from Double Edge, and today we are going to have a look at quickly on a trade I have taken today. And before we get to it, definitely check out our Twitter page. We post here daily with my good friend Pedro, and also we have newly Discord. Definitely check it out. We share here our ideas, trades, and everything that's happening. And so to get to the trade, we will start here. So I've posted like yesterday that I'm observing Plasma XPL. By the definition, this is the range. We filled the liquidation wick, and after that, there was slow bleed down, and also there was we can. There was a first spike after we filled the liquidation wick. There was a pretty huge spike, and then the bleed out continued. And I was a bit nervous about it, but I was still looking to long it actually. Also, we can check that. You can see that here. A steady pile of shorts from the liquidation wick. There was some correction right after, and then when the bleed out continues here from that point 4, the shorts, well, just building up until we until we hit the liquidation wick. So that was pretty interesting. And in this case, we can have a look at it at here at Velo. From this moment, the shorts were building. Right now, we got the first reaction from the liquidation point, and we retested it, and right now we here. I'm pretty confident in this trade. I still have like partial position there because I really think we could see during the weekend more action to this coin. This was like the most coin, like the most painful coin to trade on leverage. Maybe you can buy spot and be comfy, but in this case, this was pretty painful. But these shorts are still here. The funding sometimes slips negative, and in this case I think there could be a couple more liquidations into the weekend. We will see. Also depends on Bitcoin what will happen during the weekend, but I think like taking at least those highs when where the shorts were starting to building up is definitely like a good target. But yeah, we will see. So that's that. And I also wanted to show you regarding the trade. So I was looking at this level. I really expected the reaction here, but we like hit it the level, and the bleed out continue. But two things. Like this morning, I really was considering taking a long even here, but wasn't still sure. My entry wasn't the best. Definitely could be better. Maybe on a retest, but I was confident in the trade, and I was just like, I just want to be in a trade, so I will take the premium of getting the worst trade, but being in the trade. So the interesting part was, you have here like the CVD on spot, and from the, this lowest point we hit like point 20 20 20 23 22 something like that. So you can see on a spot CVD that there was, by the definition, some absorption. This was kind of tricky because I really thought it could like spike down. The buildup was really slow. The BTC during the Thursday was dumping pretty hard, but this was, bleeding, was holding up. The daily, man, the daily looked crazy. I mean, you get like this great reaction, like 30% in a day, and after that, you get like the whole day of bleed up. But hey, that's just altcoins. And yeah, so right now there was like an absorption. Now the trend continues, so that's okay. There was some first liquidation wake, which is this one, and I think another will follow. But this is XPL. This is the most painful coin, so we will see. But I want definitely see at least taking of this previous high, which start the reversal trend. It's like 0.33, 32. So I would really like to see today at least taking up this high, maybe some more partial profits there, and then let it maybe ride higher. But we'll see about that. So yeah, and the last thing I just wanted to show you is a great way to use Velo in this case. You can like check out the, you can create your own baskets of altcoins you want to look at. And I think the main point of trading altcoins is to look up for strength when the BTC is dumping. So if we just check out like BTC USDT, today you can see that you know this is like, yes, sorry, it's 4 hour, yeah, 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 so we go to the 2 hour. Yeah, so this is yesterday, so yeah, this is Thursday. By the statistics on Velo, we know that Thursday statistically will be bleed out, which definitely it was. And this is today. There was like, before the US Open, spike under the 100K. So that gave me like a confidence, because during the spike, I posted about it like before the dump. I posted like the basket of coins I'm looking at. You can see that this is like the before the US Open. This is like to European time, GMT plus one, and these are the coins I just observing, watching. And after that we got the dump. You can see that I have here like XPL, and you know pretty funny. It just was the only coin that was green. BTC was like minus 0.5, and this was like plus 4%. So I was just chasing longs in this case. I was pretty confident here again. It's just really great to see, if you have some basket of coins, which coins will react after the BTC dump. So yeah, that was like the main confluence. Definitely the absorption, the long build-up of shorts from this point. Your invalidation could be like even lower if you like going to hold this trade like 0.5 or even higher. But hey, so that's everything for me. Thanks for watching, guys, and definitely join our Discord, follow us, and have a good one.